punished.
Hello everyone, my name is Leslie. Today I'm going to read this hot at the dam. Page 1. Ham can run to the dam. She can run with pets. They can run and run. Page 2. Sam can hop to the dam. Sam can hop with man. They can hop and hop. Page 3. Pam and Pat are hot. Sam and Man are hot. Page 4. Man and Pat can hop in the lake. Sam and Pam can hop in with Lamb and Pat. Page 5. Pam and Pat sat on the mat.
做咩啊？
Ah,
係
mat. The mat is on top. Ham and Pat had to get house. Page 6. Sam, Man, and Pat sat at the dam. They had to get house. They were hot. Page 7. Pat and Pam can get a tan. Man and Sam can get a tan on the mat at the dam. Page 8. They
快啲啦！
sat and had ham at the dam. They had pop with the ham. Oh yeah!